Welcome back to Pilipinas Got Talent. At tuloy-tuloy ang auditions dito sa Luzon. Everyone likes magic, but not everyone can do magic.
Mapawaw kaya niya ang buong Pilipinas at maka-fly the butterfly with flying colors kaya siya?
Abracadabra!
I just noticed it's not a bow tie, it's a butter tie.
It's a butterfly.
Tie.
Butterfly.
Butter
Fly.
tie fly. Handang-handa ka na ba?
Pinaghanda.
Pinaghandaan mo. Let's see kung mapapabilib mo sila, okay?
Hi!
Good evening po.
Anong name?
Alakim.
Ba't naka-butterfly question?
For a change, bow tie, butter tie.
Is it a monkey suit? You mean a tuxedo, right?
May tail.
It's a tailcoat.
With tail, yeah.
It's a professional suit.
Okay. So, Alakim, good luck.
Ito talaga type ko ni ang build na to.
Ay! Ay, butterfly! Magiging butterfly yan. Ay, sa kapag-ibon yan. I like you! Apart from butterflies, meron bang iba?
Actually, nilikha ko po itong act ko kasama ang dugo at pawis ko simula nung nag-aral ako ng magic. At may pagmamalaki ko po na nasa Pilipinas po ang Butterfly Act at ipagmamalaki sa buong mundo.
I'm really impressed with your magic. It's amazing. It's world class.
Thank you, sir.
Let's vote!
Okay.
Yes! Ako, this time, I love magic. You get it?
Ako, you really have it. It's a yes.
Thank you. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Why butterfly?
Kasi it's unique. It's not common. Ni-research ko siya. Wala sa abroad. Di nila naisip na gamitin. It's my discovery.
Well, we are very, very happy for you. We must say that was an unbelievable
Thank
act.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
See you next round.
Napanganga ang Big Three sa ginawa ng ating butterfly magician.
World class! Indeed, pinatunayan niya na hindi magpapula yung mga Pinoy pag talent ang pinag-uusapan.
Ang ating judge na si Ai umiyak. Bakit kaya?
Let's find out sa pagbabalik ng Pilipinas Got Talent.